Hello, my name is Haley Engel. This video is for my Anatomy and Physiology 2 lab portion of my class. The assignment was to identify 6 structures and discuss their functions as far as the respiratory system goes. So the first structure I've selected is the epiglottis, which is seen here. It's shaped like a leaf. It protects the trachea, the windpipe, while we're eating so that we do not inhale our food. The second and third structure that I've selected actually work together, so I'd like to point them out together. And that is the uvula, which is seen here. And what would be, let's see, right up here, the soft palate of the mouth, and those actually work together while we're swallowing, so that we do not, it closes the nasopharynx, which is seen here, while we eat to prevent food from entering our nasal cavity. So the two structures I selected at once was the uvula and the soft palate of the mouth. The soft palate of the mouth actually also works together with other structures, such as our lips, our larynx, our vocal cords, our lungs to be able to speak as well. So that's a secondary function of the soft palate. The third structure I have selected would be the bronchial tree, which can be seen here. This is the left side of the lung. It also is on the right side as well. But this is the, there we go. Okay, now we can see all of it. So, okay, this is the bronchial tree. And the bronchial tree starts at the left and right main bronchus and branches out into the bronchioles, all the way down to our alveolar sacs. And so those are housed there, and what the primary function of this is to distribute air to the lungs. The next structure I selected for viewing is the larynx, and the larynx houses our vocal cords. So it is what gives us the ability to, it's in talking, breathing, and swallowing. And the last structure I selected was the cricoid cartilage. The cricoid cartilage is merely just a contact point or a point of attachment for different muscles, cartilages, ligaments that assist us with opening and closing our airway and with our speech. But it does connect, it is a point of attachment for our cricothyroid muscles as well as our cricoarytenoid muscles that we have. Thank you.